Hey everybody, Justine here. Hope you're all doing well. For Water Week today, we are going to head outside. So make sure you put some sunscreen on, get some water, get your bathing suit on, and some shoes that can get wet. Just before we head outside, we have to get a couple things ready. So you are going to need 2 buckets, a pen or something you can poke with, and a bowl or a cup that you can poke the bottom. Next, I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to poke a couple holes in it so the water has somewhere to go. My next job is I have to put a bucket of water on one side and an empty bucket on the other side. Now here's for the fun part. You have to get from one side of your yard to the other, holding the bowl that you poked holes in over your head. So the water is going to pour out everywhere, but you're trying to get it into the bucket on the other side of your yard. If you're playing this with your family, you can have 2 teams, so you just need 2 buckets to fill up. Or if you're playing by yourself, you can time yourself. Scoop up the water, put it over your head, and run, run, run. Mission accomplished. Bye everyone, I'll see you on Friday for Family Activity Friday.